What's the meaning of bursitis? Bursitis. Bursitis.
Bursitis. Bursitis. Bursitis is a painful condition that results from inflammation of the bursae, small fluid-filled sacs located throughout the body that cushion and lubricate areas where tendons, muscles, and bones meet. When a bursa becomes inflamed, it can cause pain, stiffness, and swelling at the affected area. The most common locations for bursitis are the elbow, hip, knee, and shoulder joints. The condition can be caused by injury or overuse of a joint, and may also occur as a result of an underlying medical condition. Treatment for bursitis typically involves managing symptoms with pain relief medication, rest, and physical therapy.